Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, May 9, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, May 9, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasa para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong May 9, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasa para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, May 9, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 15.8 million pesos and Lotto 642 estimated jackpot price is 53.5 million pesos for May 9, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, May 9, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.